Alright, buddy, let's go.
If I want to play with it, the cats can't get in it.
Thank God. We don't like cats, huh?
Yeah.
Open it like this.
Stinking cat.
Take one side out
Yeah.
and pull it up.
I can put my monster trucks in it all day.
Alright, what are we playing with here today?
Monster Jam.
Is this your new sandbox?
Yeah.
We're doing a monster jam in here?
Yeah.
What?
Which one do you see? Do you see the? Do you see? That is the white zombie.
You gotta, I think we gotta take the dirt squad out so we can do a monster jam now. So making the jumps?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you scooped up some dirt.
Yeah.
Pretty good little sandbox we got going on here. There's just a lot of trucks. Who do you got in here? It's the
Zombie. Blue Thunder.
This way. Who's this?
Wolfhead.
Some destruction. Wolfhead.
Lumberjack.
Oh, you forgot this blue one. Stone Crusher.
Stone Crusher.
Lumberjack.
Lumberjack. Stunt Truck.
Stunt Truck.
Alternator.
Octanator.
Dragon.
Dragon.
Lucas Stabilizer.
Lucas Stabilizer.
Earthshaker.
Yeah.
And El Toro Loco.
The Black El Toro Loco.
The Black
Blackout
Grave
Gravedigger. And then we got some crushed cars. How about you move them to the side so we can build a jump?
Oh, they're going to park now.
Alright, we're gonna build a jump, guys. So are we telling the people on the video?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do? Build a jump?
Yeah.
Alright. Go ahead and move them all there. And we're gonna wet the sand. Alright, I'm gonna start spraying. Okay, go ahead and move that last crushed car.
In the jump?
Yeah, we're making the dirt wet, guys, so that we can mold the jumps, right?
I got everything out.
Oh, these allergies are getting me. You gotta mix it good.
I'm
You
trying
stuck?
to get it out.
Here, alright.
I want to do
I
it.
need you to mix it while I keep wetting it. See, it's dry underneath. Keep mixing it.
It's looking pretty good.
Yep, keep mixing it. Do you think that's good enough to start making jumps?
Yeah.
Should we keep that? Alright, so now we're gonna need who? Roller and digs to make the
It's
jumps.
Lauren Diggs.
And we need scoops.
And Bulldozer.
I'm just gonna keep wetting here.
So is dirt squad. You got dirt.
You gotta pile up the dirt this way, like this. Get the dirt to one side and then we gotta wet it again.
He's rolling it.
I don't think we're ready for rolling yet.
Roller can do good.
They're making the monster jam, huh?
Whoa, look at Diggs.
This guy's the best for it. He's a bulldozer. Well, look at, he moves a lot of dirt.
Well, Roller can.
Roller makes it smooth. We're getting close.
Make
Wait,
it
wait.
more.
We're gonna make it like a half pipe.
The crush cars are going right
Make it
here.
nice and
What
wet.
is Roller doing?
Roller's gonna make it all nice and neat. And then we're gonna get the monster trucks in here. Think Roller's gotta roll it all.
What's the truck?
Here's the jump for them.
What about we missed the truck? Yeah. Don't start yet. When they all start, they're going to go in a circle. Are they going to go in a circle?
It's not enough room. You gotta. I think we have too many trucks. You gotta put some on this side like that, so they go down the middle. Thunder.
Zombie's going down.
Yeah, he is. Freestyle. Park some on the other side. There you go. All right, who's next on the freestyle challenge?
No, Star Trek versus Max game. Oh, do you see Max feet?
Yeah, you want some backwards? Do a donut up there. Oh, he's doing a wheelie. This is a cool Monster Jam truck. A stunt truck. There's a backflip. Oh, into a moonwalk off the ramp. Oh, that was cool.
Wolfman versus Lumberjack. Told you it was going to be Wolfman versus Lumberjack.
Here we go. Oh, Wolfhead does a wheelie flips on his top, and Lumberjack is on his side, but makes it. Alright, you gotta do a donut now. Oh, donut up top, and a wheelie off into a moonwalk. That was pretty cool. Alright, who's next?
I think it's going to be Alternator versus the Black Ranger.
Alright, let's go. Into a nose wheelie
Whoa.
or a moonwalk. Oh, he flipped over. Now you gotta get Dirt Squad to flip him back.
We already did those two. Dragon versus Black
Whoa, he hits the pipes. Is he stuck up there?
No.
Oh, he landed that one. Jumps over everybody into a, what is it? I can't see.
It's a moonwalk.
Moonwalk? Alright. What about El Toro Loco? He's gotta go.
He does the same thing as Dragon.
He does the same thing as Dragon? What do you think of
Oh,
your sandbox?
good.
You like playing Monster Jam in it?
Oh, we should leave it like this.
Like him upside down?
Now we need Scoops.
Oh, Scoop's picking him back up.
Alright.
Oh, Octanator and Lucas Stabilizer.
Get Stabilizer versus Alternator.
Whoa!
Did he move off?
He landed a wheelie. What's he gonna do now? Backflip in the dirt? Whoa, that's pretty cool. Are you doing a donut? Oh, moonwalk donut. What is that? Can you do a slap lead? Slap lead like this. Look. Oh, you jump like this. Slap lead.
Do they do that at Monster Jam?
Yeah. Alright, Parkham is Lucas Stabilizer's time, my favorite one. I'm gonna get him from the top. Lucas Stabilizer, let's go.
It's going to be my favorite versus your favorite.
Alright. Lucas Stabilizer. Getting crazy. Whoa, he's getting wild. Is he in the moonwalk position? Now we're gonna show everyone how this water table works with water, right? Right? Yeah, we got a little sand island we built.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna pour water in. Okay, water down the funnel. Down this red thing. This is called the funnel. Right here, look, it's right here. Pour it in there. Got it? Oh, it's coming down into the truck though. Want some more? This one too for this side. Oh, it fills up that side.
Watching.
Do one more on this side. Now we can get dirty. Ooh, look, you get to play with the sand a little bit, like a beach. Feels like the real beach.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta get those tires all muddy now. Look, it feels like the ocean's beach. This is like the sand we have in the beaches here. Ooh, it's kind of cool with the water on both sides, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think? Should we add more water?
Yeah.
Oh, look at how dirty Zombie's tires are getting.
Look at Axe. Axe looks so dirty.
And then look, when they come down here, their tires get clean.
That's what they do in real life. This is what Zombie does in real life.
Alright, I'm gonna add more water. You ready?
Zombie does this in real life.
It's gonna rain. It's coming through.
Oh, look at Earthshaker. He's getting. Oh, look at their BKT tires.
Yeah, they get clean in the water though. They don't get dirty till they get up here. It's like an island in the middle.
This is what a zombie looks like in real life. That's what zombie looks like in real life.
Alright. Here comes the dirt squad to fix some of the ramp. They're reinforcing the shoreline.
Dude, this is kind of our mud.
Now we need roller to come in and roll it. You gotta smooth it out. You ready?
Roller, let me get through.
Sorry. I'm rolling it smooth so we have a better jump.
Scoops, can you move?
We're building over here, man. Get on the other side. This is a construction area.
Oh, Dad, this is coming through. Dad, this is coming. Oh, it's hard.
He works like this, like an excavator. Or an excavator. He picks it up, like he bites it, he scoops it up here, he dumps it. Look, oh, big old chunk. Look, you go down and you bite, like he bites it, and he brings it up, and he dumps it.
Is Elsa Loco kind of here?
You know what we should do next time?
What?
Next time we should make like a lake in the middle instead of an island. It's our sand table. Sand/water table, huh?
Megalodon's doing this, like, oh, Megalodon's tires, we can't see them. We can see Megalodon's tires. Megalodon's kind of right here.
We're going to go to the store to build a water sand table, right?
Uh-huh.
Are we gonna build it today?
Uh-huh.
So the idea is we're gonna go to a local hardware store. We're gonna grab PVC pipe, a bucket, or I guess a tray, and build us a sand water table for the boys to play in. So where we at?
That's Home Depot.
What are we gonna get first? PVC pipe. PVC pipe.
I like them.
The last thing is the sand. We haven't made the sand table yet, but Nixon likes this so far.
I can put my dirt squads in it. I'm putting an Earthshaker right here.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Here I'm just using markers and a PVC cutter to cut all my pieces out. I cut them all out first, and you can find the template that inspired me in the description. I modified it, but you can modify it to fit yours. The reason I had to modify it is the container we bought was different, but just with a few different measurements you can figure it out. Here we're test fitting it and making sure that everything lines up. Well, I'm building this. What are you doing?
I'm the building. Yeah.
All the sand. You put it everywhere, huh? This is what it's like building stuff when you have toddlers. Just gotta deal with it. Here are all the pieces that I had to use. I had to get the 4-way elbows off the internet. They did not have them at Home Depot. And then I used heavy clear PVC pipe cement. And here I am with the respirator gluing all the joints together. This stuff dries pretty quick. One thing to keep in mind about the sand is we used play sand that you can find at Home Depot. This is the safe sand that you're supposed to use, so make sure you're using that sand. And here I had to use a drill hole saw to make the holes to fit the other PVC pipes in. I didn't end up gluing these in because I wanted to have the option to take them off. And then I used acetone to remove all the markings of the PVC pipe. And here it is, completed and done with water and sand. It can be used for all three. Just sand, water, and a mixture of the two. And the project was a great success and the kids loved it. So, tell me, what do you think of your water table?
I think it was good, but when did I play with it? One.
You play with it all the time. Wait, what's your favorite part of the table? Is it when it's sand or water or both?
Both.
You like it when it's both?
Mhm.
Okay, which one's your second favorite? When it's sand?
Yeah.
And then water's your last?
Yes.
What was it fun to build?
Yeah.
See you next time.
On the next video. Drive and like.
See you later.
See you later, next time, kids.
Alright, bye.
Bye-bye.
Grown-ups or parents, if you're interested in products used in today's video, head over to forgebuddies.com. There you'll find links or affiliate links to the products used in today's videos. We appreciate your support and we hope you have a blessed day.
Follow, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.